last I made it to the car park. It wasn't a long drive at all. It was literally like half an hour from Nice Airport to Cannes. I'm staying at the Marriott, JW Marriott. So that's my car. So I'm just gonna make my way to the hotel. It's a very, very busy hotel though. So I'm just going to have a quick nap. Hello. I'm just going to have a quick nap, then probably make my way to the town centre and get myself some lovely, lovely French food. So I'm just making my way to my room. So parking here is quite expensive though. So to park for an hour is £3.60, and to park for 4 days, I'm spending 4 days here anyway. For 4 days is €110. Quite expensive. It's a really expensive car park, to be honest. But there's hardly any parking around, so I've got no choice but to park here. So I'm gonna make my way to, I think it is level 0. So yeah, so parking is quite difficult in Cannes. It's a really busy place. A lot of people come here for holidays. So what can you expect? It's really hard to find parking. For all of you who have never been to the south of France, the south of France is really expensive. For example, in my hotel, to have breakfast is about £40 per person just to have breakfast, yeah? So it's really expensive. If you go to places like Dubai, you can find cheaper rates because there are a lot of hotels there. Not to say there are not a lot of hotels in Cannes. They have a lot of hotels, but it's just known for billionaires anyway. So a lot of wealthy people come here. So that's probably why it's expensive. But what I'm going to try to do is to look for a lovely restaurant outside of the hotel, and let's see what happens there. But yeah, it's a lovely place though. So still walking around. So parking is a nightmare. So I literally tried to find parking next to the hotel. I couldn't find any. Normally in most places I go to, I'll find parking at least, but in this area it was quite difficult to find parking. So I've just had to park in the hotel's car park. So yeah, so this is JW Marriott. It's a lovely hotel, very nice. I'll take you to my room in a minute, but I'm literally showing you around just for you to know how it looks like from the reception lobby area. Okay, so I'm just gonna make my way to my room, and the customer service here is really good, I must say. The customer service is nice. Okay, so as I was saying, the customer service here is really good. So when we got here, things were done really quick. We didn't have to wait for that long. So it was really good. So yeah, I totally recommend coming here. Really nice, nice setup, nice service. I suppose that's what you're paying for anyway, so what do you expect? So I'll just take you around for you to have an idea of how the rooms are. So I'm just on floor 1 at the moment. So they've got like a sitting area around here. So we're still around the reception lobby area. So this is literally the reception lobby area. I'm based in floor 3, but I'm just taking you around. They've actually got a gym. Let's see how the gym is. I've got to get my card out. Okay, so let's see what the gym is saying. So they've got a gym here. So for you people that like to work out, it's not a bad place. It's not too big though, but what do you expect? Like, it's a hotel, so you're not expecting a 5-star kind of gym. Well, I'm not expecting a 5-star kind of gym, but it's okay. So they've got that. And you've also got a view of the surrounding area. So it's not too bad actually, it's okay. They've got a water dispenser. Obviously you're going to need that in a gym for sure. Okay, so let's keep moving. Okay, so I'm just at the top of the hotel, and this is literally the view from the top of the hotel. Oh, it is really nice. Like, it is really lovely. I don't know how many times I've got to say that, but yeah, it's really good. So not a lot of people are on the beach at the moment, and that's because of the time and also the weather. So can you see that? Really nice. Coming here during proper summer would be good. I can imagine the amount of people that will be on here. I suppose a lot of people will be here. And that's the road. Lovely view. So I'm going to make my way to Nice in a moment. Also, I noticed that a lot of people are there taking pictures. Some people take pictures here for various reasons. It might be that they have a wedding anniversary, or they have a birthday celebration, or any sort of celebration. So I'm not sure if you can see from this view, but there's somebody all the way there taking professional pictures. Yeah, I totally recommend people to come here, especially to this hotel, because it literally faces the beach. and it's a really big hotel as well, so you get a lovely view. The rooms are quite good though, the way they've done it. It's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys to my room anyway, because I'm based on floor 3. Don't want to waste too much time. But yeah, it is a good place. So if you want to come to Cannes, I totally recommend JW Marriott. It's a very nice place, I must say. So I'm going to take you to my room, and I'll show you what I've got there. The room is quite decent anyway, because I went there earlier before I went to the car park. So brace yourself. I'm going to make my way to the lift. So I'm on floor 3.
Fermeture des portes.
And the lift is nice and warm.
Ouverture des portes. 3e étage.
Okay, we're on floor 3 now, so I'm gonna go over there. I'm not going to tell you my room number, that's confidential. But I'll obviously give you a tour of the room. I need to start speaking French. I'm gonna try my French. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
See? Yeah, thank you. See, I told you they're really nice here, very lovely people. So the customer service is top notch. It's up there. It's up to standard. So it's a good place to be. Bonjour.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Okay, so I'm still walking to my room. Oh, I forgot the key. So that's my key. 351. Voila. Okay, so that's my room. Well, this is my room. So this is what you get in JW Marriott. Very, very nice. The background is so good. Look at that. Very nice. So for a room like this, you'd pay around £250 a night. For the sea view, you're looking at £500 roughly a night. Let me show you the minibar. What do we have here? So we have everything literally. So there's water, there's still water, there's sparkling water, then Pepsi, then some alcohol. So I might have some when I get a bit peckish. Let's see. Well, yeah, that's the minibar for you. So I'm just gonna shut it. So Okay, so I'm gonna take you to the bathroom. Voila. Okay, so the bathroom is total luxury. Like it's got marble on the floor. That's a towel rail. Very, very nice. So that's the shower head. And it's quite big though. Like I'm a big guy, yeah, so yeah, it's quite big. So it'll suit me nice. So that's the sink. You've got your lovely shampoo, conditioner, and all that jazz. And there's a lot of towels, there's a lot of towel. So it's got enough towel for as much people. It's got a phone. And that's where the magic happens, I suppose. So really, really decent, I must say, very nice. So that's the bathroom and the toilet. So I think this is actually good for the price. If you're going to pay $250 a night for a place that doesn't have a sea view, that's not bad for what you get. Like I said, for the sea view, it's roughly 500 a night for the sea view. So you have to pay more for that anyway, so that's quite sensible. Okay, so I'm gonna have to end this here. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later on.